Looking back. 1. Listen and underline the syllable with vowel elision.
1. You can look up this word in your dictionary.
2. Police are protecting people with physical disabilities.
3. We are collecting books for the local library.
4. The noise from the factory is deafening.
5. We like reading books about Vietnam history.
2. Listen and tick the sentences that are read with elision of weak vowels.
1. This special school provides primary and secondary education. 2. This special school provides primary and secondary education.
3. The noise from that factory is quite deafening. 4. The noise from that factory is quite deafening.
5. This camera needs only one battery. 6. This camera needs only one battery.